Hi, my name is Tan. Today I'll be making my grandma's chocolate chip cookies. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. Okay, so the first step you need to do is put all of your ingredients together. You'll need 4.5 cups of flour, and then you'll need 2 cups of oatmeal, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and don't get these two confused. So, we'll do this one. Like salt. And then you'll need to mix it. Next step, you're going to put all the wet ingredients in. You'll need 1 cup of butter. And then you'll need 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And then you'll need 1.5 cup of plain white sugar. Now mix till well combined. Now add 4 eggs and 12 ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Mix till well combined. Now add your dry ingredients, wet ingredients. Get your scoopers and get the cookie dough and put it on your cookie sheet. You'll bake them in the oven at 375 degrees. You want to bake them in the oven for 11 to 13 minutes. Enjoy with your friends. Yum!